Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Microsoft 365 for Business email. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to follow these article or this support article. And basically first, you will be needing to get already like your Microsoft for Business or you will need to get your email address. So basically you can just get any services that you would like to do, and from there you can like start like getting started by getting or paying for the subscriptions. Otherwise, if you have already like you can set up the Microsoft Business Standard with a new or existing domain. So basically if you got already some domain, you can simply go to your domain uh, to the Microsoft admin center. So basically, you can just go and add it to your subscription. You will be needing to simply and connect your domain name with the Microsoft Business. So as we said, if you already have like a business email or for example any domain, you will be able to connect it. So simply you will be needing just to go and get your or connect to your Microsoft subscription, and from there you will be able to start adding your own domain name. So as you can see, you will need just to sign into the page on your Microsoft Business Standard sign up that you have just like got your subscription. And from there, you can create a new business email account. And basically, from there, you will be adding your domain name that you are using for your business. And basically, you will be able to install your Microsoft apps on the installing page. And basically, you can optionally install the apps on your own computer. And basically in the add domain, from there you will be able to add your own domain. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.